Hey guys, welcome back to this edition of the Skateboarding Part 7. So today I'm going to be showing you more tricks on the fingerboard. And basically I have my snack with me just in case I lose out of energy. So move that out of the way. I'm going to pull off this stunt. Let's see if I can do it. Almost did it. Come on, almost do it. Ha! Alright. We almost had it. Nice. We're working at it pretty good. Now I'm going to see what the top chat I can do. Turn on the live chat because I want them to be all visible. Yeah, if you didn't check out my brother's popping balloon video, go check it out. It's kind of hilarious. So I'm going to try to pop a wheelie. And let's see if I pop a wheelie and nail it. I'm going to nail it. Nailed it! Man, I'm really good at this. That's a good keel bar. All right. One more time. All right. That's a double shot point. Okay, that's not what I had in mind. Almost. Okay. Yes.
Jesus Christ loves us all, so we make a great big sound. And the mountains, the trees, and the stars.
Woo! Nailed it. I did like a triple backflip. What does that give me? A triple 2000. All right, let's see if I can make this double triple flip. Yes, I nailed it. Ooh, I'm the luckiest guy. All right. Let's see if I can nail it one more time without failing. The triple small flip. Impressive. Yes, another front flip. What happens if I do it back? Yeah, I landed it 3 times. The second time, well, the third time I landed it, but the second time, it was not a good attempt. I knocked it over, but I'll pick it up later. All right. Watching. And if you haven't heard my words, be sure to go check out my brother's video. If you tap right here, that's where my channel is down there. And be sure to click right up here for more videos. And be sure to check out up here where my brother's video is for his bike ride. And if you haven't noticed, follow Amaya's channel because she needs some more posts and videos. So other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you all. Peace.